A credit score can stay unchanged for months because your score only updates when credit report information changes. If your credit score has not moved after 6 months, you'll learn what could be keeping it the same, what areas to check, and what steps can help you find the issue. The first thing to check is whether your credit reports are actually changing. Credit scores are calculated from information on your credit reports, so no new reported activity can mean no visible score movement. Start by reviewing your payment history. Late payments, missed payments, or other negative information can continue affecting your score, even if you have started managing your accounts better. Next, check your credit card balances. Your credit utilization can affect your score, and changes may not appear until your card issuers report updated balances. Review your credit accounts for recent activity. Look at open accounts, account ages, balances, and any new information that appears on your reports. If you have been making payments on time but your score has not increased, check whether your credit profile has enough new positive information being reported. Building credit depends on the information appearing in your reports, not just the actions you take. You should also check your credit reports for errors. Incorrect balances, accounts you do not recognize, or inaccurate payment history can prevent your credit profile from showing the right information. If you find incorrect information, dispute it with the credit bureau reporting the error. Include documents that support your claim and explain exactly what needs to be corrected. Avoid opening multiple new credit accounts just to increase your score. New applications can create hard inquiries and change your credit profile. Credit scores also do not improve at the same speed for everyone. Different credit histories can respond differently to the same changes. The main steps are checking your credit reports, reviewing payment history and balances, looking for errors, and making sure your positive account activity is being reported. Your next step is to compare your current credit reports with older versions, identify what has changed, and focus on the areas affecting your score the most. If this helped you understand why your credit score is not moving after 6 months, like the video and subscribe for more credit score and credit building guides.